how the slide back is looking out here.
Something's wrong.
If you roughly get in the area, then go ahead and just pull the trigger, just so you get the feel of the gun going off.
Where's the trigger?
Oh, trigger's right here. Right where your finger's at, just like on a squirt gun.
Yep.
You pull it, Yazzie?
Keep pulling. There you go. Just gotta pull a little bit further beyond the thing.
Yep.
There you go. And then what you're gonna do is just the bolt. The old one, and then you got one go back in. So go ahead and push this forward.
Don't put your hand on the trigger right now. Yeah.
Yep, keep your hand off
down.
the trigger. There you go. Now look down the barrel. And then when you got the target and all that on a metal object, then go ahead and pull the trigger. There you go. Let's
You
try
pull it,
again.
Yazzie?
When you hit it, you'll hear a ding.
And you gotta pull that out. See how that shot up? That's the thing that hit Grandpa's eye. So
Okay.
that's what you want. Good job. You remember how we aim where we put that in the middle of those?
Do you know which target you're trying to aim for?
Like the person and the
Loaded.
Okay, the guy, the little guy. All right. So just put the green dot right at the top of that diamond, and then line it up on the little guy.
You see it, buddy?